crowd noise. You can do, just go online to NBCSports.com or... Joining us today, already we've seen in the other two games a moment to the key workers, the frontline workers, the health workers. So Wolves are a tough nut to crack. They don't consist.
Season. And once more, a united stand as the players take a knee to drive home the unambiguous message that Black Lives Matter. And Adama Traore looking to go through early, but Martinez was smartly off his line to thwart him.
He had to be, because he was in behind there, Traore. Normally he plays on the right-hand side. It's a really good flick on.
Arsenal career. Luis has launched a long one towards Nketiah. Brighton game where Leno picked up his nasty injury. And Arsenal. Aubameyang. Saka. Ripped in by Cedric. Traore delivering just to... But those aside, here's Traore with a wonderful weaving run and a hefty old shot which disappears high and wide.
Yeah, there's the threat again. This time he does receive it in between the midfield and the...
Hurry volley here. It's Tierney's pull back. Jimenez, Traore. Jimenez. Johnny's after this one, and he can just... Doherty beyond Bolly, beyond Luis, and finally hooked out by Cody. Here's Traore round the back. It's a goal kick.
Well, defended well there, Kieran Tierney. I've been impressed with him.
Luis dabbed up towards Nketiah. Well,
but in the final third, they've not really kept any kind of possession.
Various European spaces, whether they be the posh ones in the top 4 or 5. Staffy, unreachable by Nketiah. Traore's alongside him. This is Adama Traore. Dani Ceballos and Aubameyang. Down went Rui Patricio.
Wow, first opportunity for Arsenal. It was really good corner, whipped into that near post. It was Jimenez that...
Traore, Dendonker's header, which was always destined to fly wide.
Yeah, it was, but you can see what...
Tierney. Traore. Oh, Luis had a fistful of him. And knows he will have to have his name taken for that.
No, it was just too quick, Traore. A really good passage of play. Couple of 1-2.
Beyond Jimenez, hit by Johnny, but without real force, and it bobbles harmlessly behind.
No, it was a little...
Ponder. And Nketiah has hit the base of the post, and Cody nicks it behind.
Yeah, could have been a good save, that, by Patricio.
Doherty for Wolves, who has to settle just for a corner.
I just thought he delayed it too much there, Jimenez.
It's Saiz who took it eventually, and that's Saka! Thumping goal for Arsenal. One swing of a teenage boot, and the Gunners lead at Molineux. That's a smack.
Can Arsenal make it 4 wins on the spin? Well, they're halfway.
Traore. There's Jimenez, who took a nudge as he hurled himself at it. And just looks inquiringly over his shoulder at Michael Oliver. Doherty. Safely away by Mustafi from in front of Jimenez for another Wolves corner.
Well, it's better for Wolves. They're getting in down this right-hand side. Traore at times can since the start of the second half. You see there, more intensity, Jimenez pressing.
By Neves. Stumbled over Bolly. Bolly went flying back. Traore away from Maitland-Niles, but not from Kolas. Jota! Belts it against Johnny. In goes Doherty, out comes Mark. Jota. Traore's the spare man. Adama Traore sifts it over.
What a chance there. Arsenal give the ball away on the halfway line. And there's the...
Willock and Lacazette!
What a brilliant substitution. We said about the way that they've managed the last 10 minutes.